Hey, hi all. Now in this session, we'll see the structure of C++ program. So in the last class, we have seen the structure of C program. Now we will see the structure of C++ program. Okay. So basically in the C language, we have six sections like documentation, a definition, right? Preprocess section, global variable declaration, main function, and subprograms or subfunctions. But when it comes to C++, we have only three sections, and those are like standard library section, main function section, and function body section. Okay, so C++ program having three sections, right? One is standard library section, standard library section. Second thing is main function section. Third thing is function body section. So these three are the sections in C++ program. So for example, if you want to write a C# program, right, you just say same as C program, stdio.h is the header file, because if you want to use any standard input output functions, you make sure that you are going to use these functions, right, this header file to utilize these functions. Okay, now if you look at the sample example, I'm just saying this is the preprocess section header file, and then I'm going to use using keyword to specify the namespace standard, that is std, right? And then int main, this is the same as C# or C program. And inside of this, I'm going to use this cout as similar to printf function, right? Hello world, right? Close, and this is ended. Okay, and then just return 0 because you mentioned int as the return type of main function. So this is the simple structure of C++ program we use to print some hello world line. We'll see first one by one these sections, and then later we'll see a sample program. Okay, the first one is standard libraries. This is the first section we use to write, right, a C++ program. So this is nothing but, as we have seen above program, this preprocessor section, header files, and namespace importing statements you're going to include in this standard library section. So I can say hash include stdio.h using namespace std standard. These are, right, standard libraries. Hash include is specific preprocessor command that effectively copy and paste the entire text of the file. Okay, here stdio.h is the header file. It will copy entire, these functions on the definition of each function of this header file into your current program, right? And the IO stream, right? As this is the C++, I need to use IO stream here instead of stdio.h. Okay, so IO stream.h, so that it will copy and paste the entire file of this IO stream, right? Specified between this header file. And this IO stream header file, standard file that should come up with C++ compiler. A short format of using output streams. Okay, so hash include is a hash include is a specific preprocessor command that effectively copies and pastes the entire text of the file specified between the angle brackets into the source code. Right now you are having your control. Okay, so the file IO stream dot h, or this IO stream, I think you can simply say IO stream, no need to mention this dot h. Okay, so that's how you can define it, no need of mentioning dot h. Okay, this IO stream is right. It is a standard file that should come with C++ compiler. It is a short form of it is a short for input output streams. That means taking values from input console and printing values on the console using cout, cin, printf like this. Okay, and the namespace is a prefix that apply to all namespaces in certain set. IO stream file defines two names used in this program like cout and endl. These endl and cout, right, are defined in this particular IO stream. Okay, and main function section, this is similar to C program. This function is called by operating system and your program is executed by the computer. Okay, within the angle bracket signifies the end, right? And next section is function body section. Function body section. So that's what the next one. We have seen main function, right? Main function is similar to C program, right? Main function, it is similar to C program. And function body section. Okay, this is the second one. And this is third one. So if you look at this cout, we have defined, right? In the double quotes, hello world, right? And then you mentioned again this endl, right? So the name cout is short for character output and display whatever is between the angle brackets, right? So the name cout is a short for character output and display whatever is between the less than bracket, angle brackets. Symbols such as less than can also behave like functions and are used with the keyboard cout. So this is the function body section. So instead of this, whatever you're mentioning it, that is going to be displayed on the output. So and again, return keyword tells the program to return value to the function into main function. So whatever return of 0 you mentioned above here, this will return, right, a value to the function into main. This int main. Okay. Make sure this is the case sensitive as my word is default putting me this first character in uppercase. Don't get confused with this. Okay. So this is the sample program of this, C++. Let me tell you this in a tool here. Go back here, previous tool, and remove this. Choose C++ here. Now you can see here, this is what IO stream. This is the namespace std, right? Main, hello world, right? And I can say this endl, okay? And return 0. Let me run this. It is going to print hello world, right? And you can give any text here in between this less than, these things will be displayed on the console. C++ structure demo. And run this, it is going to print entire stuff here. This is the sample example of this C++ program. Okay. So I hope you are clear on these three sections: standard library section, main function, and function body, right? This is the standard library section where you mention the header files and namespaces. And this is the main function section where you are going to define, right? And coming to this function body, I think inside of function body is nothing but this is the function body. You can specify the right cout or any other kind of action you want to perform it. All these things can be specified in the function body section. Okay, Thanks for listening to this video and please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.